I real so sad because who I really love with all my heart is not love me like I do all because people lies against me. But when I say I love you more, I don't mean I love you more than you love me. I mean I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any fight we will ever have. I love you more than the distance between us. I love you more than any obstacle that could try and come between us. I love you the most. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Life is like a piano. White keys represent happiness. Black shows sadness. But as you go through life's journey, remember that the black keys also create music. Heavy hearts like heavy clouds in the sky are best relieved by the letting of a little water. Tears are words that need to be written. It's said when someone you know becomes someone you knew. You cannot protect yourself from sadness without protecting yourself from happiness. In the deepest of winter, I finally learned that there was in me an invincible summer. The word happy would lose its meaning if it were not balanced by sadness. One thing you cannot hide is when you are crippled inside. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. When you are happy, you enjoy the music, but when you are sad, you understand the lyrics. Nothing can cure the soul, but the senses, just as nothing can cure the senses, but the soul. We must understand that sadness is an ocean, and sometimes we drown, while other days we are forced to swim. The soul would have no rainbow if the eyes had no tears. Sadness flies away on the wings of time. People keep telling me that life goes on, But to me, that's the saddest part, the saddest aspect of life right now is that science gathers knowledge faster than society gathers wisdom. We must embrace pain and burn it has fuel for our journey. There are moments when I wish I could roll back the clock and take all the sadness away. But I have the feeling that if I did, the joy would be gone as well. Every human walks around with a certain kind of sadness. They may not wear it on their sleeves, but it's there. If you look deep, the walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keep out the joy. Our sweetest songs are those that reveal our saddest thoughts, pain and pleasure, like light and darkness succeeded each other. The sadness of life is not that you cannot carry on, it's that you'll have to. A life filled with sorrow and grief is a life lived in truth. A broken heart is the worst. It's like having broken ribs. Nobody can see it, but it hurts every time you breathe. Just because a relationship ends, it does not mean it's not worth having. The hardest thing to do is watch the one you love someone else. Sometimes your heart needs more time to accept what your mind already knows. It is better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all. Sometimes the person you want most is the person you are best without. One day they will realize they lost a diamond while playing with worthless stones. I cannot compromise my respect for your love. You can keep your love. I will keep my respect. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be their option. The hardest part about breaking up is letting go of the last piece of your heart. I wish I were a little girl again because skinned knees are easier to fix than A broken heart, the saddest thing in the world, is loving someone who used to love you. Sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together. If you really love something, set it free. If it comes back, it's yours. If not, it was not meant to be. Love is unconditional. Relationships are not. A breakup is like a broken mirror. It is better to leave than risk hurting yourself trying to pick up all of the broken pieces. Love is so short, forgetting is so long. The hardest thing I will ever do is walk away, still loving you. Breakups are not always meant makeup, sometimes they are meant for wake ups. Sometimes we create our own heartbreaks through expectation. If you cannot save the relationship, at least save your pride. Sometimes two people have to fall apart to realize how much they need to fall back together. Every time your heart is broken, a doorway cracks open to a world full of new beginnings, new opportunities. Sometimes we have to let go of what's killing us, even if it's killing us to let go. I will not try to convince you to love me, to respect me, to commit me. I deserve better than that. I am better than that. Goodbye.